In a vast, blue ocean, a powerful swordfish roamed, its silver body glistening in the sunlight. Known for its speed and strength, the swordfish was admired by all the creatures of the deep. One day, the swordfish encountered a struggling turtle, caught in a fisherman's net. The swordfish, with its sharp sword-like bill, could easily free itself from such obstacles. Yet, it hesitated. The swordfish pondered, should I help this turtle, or continue my own path? It was a crossroads, a choice between self-interest and compassion. The swordfish, though strong and mighty, remembered its own journey, the struggles, the fears, the times it too needed help. With a swift movement, it sliced through the net, freeing the turtle. The grateful turtle asked, "Why did you help me, swordfish? You could have easily swam away." The swordfish replied, "For I remember the times I was in need, and I wish the same kindness to be shown to me." From that day forward, the swordfish and the turtle became the best of friends, their bond a testament to the power of empathy and kindness. The ocean, once a solitary place for the swordfish, became a world of companions. And so, the tale of the swordfish and the turtle serves as a reminder to us all. In helping others, we not only enrich their lives but also our own. Compassion, though it may seem small, can ripple out, touching countless lives, creating a world where we all swim together, in harmony and kindness.